channel. Today I want to share with you my new sling bag, the Bellroy Venture 6 liter. I'm going to talk about how it compares to my other bags, how they carry my to-go items, its pros and cons, and so on. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about my current bags. First is this Essex bags, which I got for volunteering during the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. It's built really well, with plenty of space. Too bad that it just feels too big when you are not carrying a lot, when you are just going around town. Next is this Adidas bag, which I got as a present. This for me has a better fit, and it's my usual go-to sling bag. And this clip is a lot more useful than it actually seems to carry my small items and hats. The downside is that it now just look a bit worn out after 7 years of use, and it doesn't really has a lot of organization features, just a compartment. And I don't like it when I have a lot of small items and don't know exactly where that is. This is where this bag came in, as an upgrade over this one, hopefully. Now for the main character of this video. Wow, look at it. This is Bellroy Venture Sling 6 liter. It says it's made from recycled materials, leather-free. And the materials are said to be waterproof, and it has got this waterproof zipper. You can see here these two textiles are a bit different. This looks a little bit more modern, and this a little more like cloth. It comes in 4 colors, although I've been in the green color these recent years, as you can see here. But I have always loved red, and this orange or bronze color stood out to me among others. And this color variation on this strap really complemented the main body. So about the storage capacity. So when looking for a new sling bag, there is this one visible for me, which is this iPad mini. My other 2 bags could fit this iPad, so it is a given that this new one also has to do that. Nice. Let me just measure this one. So it stands around 30 centimeter to 20. How does this compare to the other 2? So with this one, it's around the same. But this one is a bit more bulky because it has this. But this one is a bit more slimmer, and it says like it can be compressed with this feature. With this, I cannot really compare it really well, but I should say a bit slimmer on the size, but the height is almost the same. So let me put my items in. So first, it is my sunglass attachment. So this Bellroy has this fleece line. Oh, actually this one. This soft line pouch. I can hold this without having to carry this. Okay. And then my wallet. A bit too small. All right. And actually, it's a bit too close. So maybe here. Next is my water bottle. Actually, this is a little bit big for this same bag. It's like 600 milliliter, but it fits. And then my umbrella is also fixed here. So it becomes quite a bit bulky, but I think it's like slim and fits quite well. Let's take this out for now. My passport if I'm traveling abroad. There's this bag. Okay. Okay. And then my small items. And this front pouch. Actually, they're the same size, so just put them here. And my AirPods. Here. And my key. So it has this key strap. Okay. I think it fits pretty well. Oh, I still have my charger and my cables. It becomes a little bit messy. Maybe here. I might need a bit small bag for this one. Like this. And then let me just remove this strap. So this strap also have this remover, collapse. So I can just adjust to a tight fit around my body and use this to take off the bag without having to readjust. And this is one improvement from my other two bags. So to sum it up, this Venture Sling 6 liter is a stylish bag with a great organization features built in, and it checks all my needs. I might say I'm quite satisfied right now for first impression, but I will try to take this out for a few outings and maybe come back with more detailed review and feedback. If you like this video and think it was useful, please like and subscribe. And if you have something you want to know about this bag, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.